What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today what I'm going to be doing is another crochet video. So the hair that I got today is this Afri Naptural pre-stretched Caribbean faux Remy fiber bundle braids, and then it's in the style Cascading Ripple, and it's 18 inches, and it's in the color 1B. Guys, so I am back and I'm finished. This is like 4-day-old hair, and this hair is called Main Concept Afri Naptural Cascading Ripple Braid, and it's in 18 inches, and this is the color number 1. Okay, so you guys, this hair was longer than what it is now. I did cut it. It did come to like right here on my boob, but I cut it to like chest length because it's hot and it's becoming summer and it's getting hotter and hotter. But yeah, this is what it's looked like. I'll just slick my edges down and they coming up because it's hot. I can't turn on the air because you can hear it in the video, but this is it. I didn't do any invisible knots because I ain't got time for that. But yeah, I cut it to shape my face and it's pretty cute. I purchased 5 packs. I used all 5 packs. And this hair was, I want to say $6.99 from a beauty supply store that I went to. But yeah, it's very cheap. Now, one thing about this hair is you do have to do a lot of knots, and you can, like, the knots are visible the way that I did it, but I don't mind. You can do the invisible method if you have time, but I didn't. But I like this hair. This hair don't really tangle as much, but it do tangle. All synthetic hair tangle. It tangles mostly at the nape area, but this hair is really like easy to separate. With this hair, I did split the piece of hair once to just get 2 strands, and I did that all over. So if you like this hair, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.